Hey friends, if Wi-Fi network is not showing up or can't find Wi-Fi in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. See, here's the main resolution in this case that you have to open the Wi-Fi connection and check it here. Is it for all Wi-Fi connections or is it for a specific Wi-Fi connection? Because if it is for all Wi-Fi connections, then it is an issue with the network adapter, and it is if it is with that specific Wi-Fi connection, then check if it's appearing on your phone and other devices. Now in some computers the 2.4G network, the 2.4 gigahertz network will appear, but not the 5G one, because the network adapter may not be capable of it. In that case you won't see the 5G network, but you'll find the 2.4 gigahertz network. And other than this, you can also restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart. You can update Windows, so right click on the start button, select settings. Obviously you'll have to connect to a different network for this. Go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates. And one more thing that you can do is update the network adapter. So search for device manager, expand the list for device manager, expand the list for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers, and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.